Marietta Tansabong, known professionally as Pokwang, is a Filipino comedian, actress, television host, and singer. Pokwang was born on August 27, 1972 in Iloilo City. Her family lives in Antipolo, Rizal. Her father was a drunkard and her mother had difficulties in raising Pokwang and her 11 other siblings. Pokwang was the seventh born among her siblings. She started in a reality show on ABS-CBN and subsequently appeared in dramas and sitcoms of the network. She also received the Best Comedy Actress Award from the Philippine Movie Press Club for her portrayal in the sitcom Alog-Alog and the Best Female Comedian Award from People's Choice Awards. She became a host of the variety shows Wawawi, Pilipinas with Nawin and Happy Yapi. In 1990, Pokwang went to Japan as an overseas Filipino worker and worked as a group dancer. Pokwang went to Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates to work as a domestic worker in 1998 after the Gulf country started to accept OFWs. She wanted to go home immediately after she learned that her son, who was then 5 years old, was diagnosed with a brain tumor. Following the loss of her son, Pokwang decided to stay in the Philippines and tend to her daughter. Pokwang made her first appearance as a backup dancer in Easy Dancing of ABC5. While performing as a guest in a comedy bar in Cubao, she met Eric Nicholas, who was looking for a talent to work with ABS-CBN. She worked in a comedy bar named Funline and in 2002 moved to the Music Box. In 2004, Pokwang joined Clown in a Million, a reality talent show segment of Yes Yes show of ABS-CBN after she was convinced by Nicholas to participate and became the grand champion. After winning, she secured an exclusive artist contract with ABS-CBN. In 1993, Pokwang married a Japanese national who she had met while she was working abroad in Japan. The union had a son, Shin, who later died due to a congenital brain ailment. In 1996, she entered into another relationship again with a Japanese partner. Though they did not marry, the union had a daughter, Riame, born 1996. Pokwang had a British suitor, but in June 2013 it was reported that he decided not to pursue. Pokwang speculated that the reason for this was that she was playing hard to get, but insists that she remains friends with the Briton. On the 20th of January 2015, Pokwang entered into a relationship with American actor Lee O'Brien, whom she worked with in the film Edsa Woolworth, which was released in theaters in that same month. On the 18th of January 2018, Pokwang gave birth to her third child and her first with O'Brien Malia in Antipolo. Pokwang and O'Brien separated in November 2021, with Pokwang having custody over Malia. Inside Pokwang's modern four-story house in Antipolo. Built on hard work and perseverance, the comedienne's spacious property highlights contemporary furnishings, colorful bedrooms, and streamlined details. From afar, the house doesn't look like a typical house with its imposing modern structure, multiple levels, and tall glass windows. The partially seen roof deck is ideal for get-togethers with a place for meals, barbecue nights, and a fun night with friends. The main door opens to Pokwang's vast collection of Swarovski crystals, Chinese figurines, colorful gems, and scented candles, to name a few. Underneath the built-in ledge, more interesting pieces take up space. Some of the items we spotted are a koi fish figurine, a smiling Buddha, and other fragile knickknacks. Sprucing up the wall is a koi fish painting by Jeff Laurent. The living area is a celebration of warm tones and captivating colors. Once guests get the hang of the house's high ceiling and spacious floors, their attention will surely turn to the comfy seating pieces and the striking works of art by Chico Javier. When Pokwang moved in, some of the items were in place, like the TV and paintings, and she only did minor adjustments. With sofas in dark brown and another seating piece in orange, a neutral rug was chosen to anchor the space. The TV was placed under the stairs, with the rest of the entertainment essentials taking up minimal space. A few steps from the living area is the lovely door with a decorative sunburst that shows 8 long rays and 8 short rays. That's a symbol of hope, because it's light, right? I suggested that design, says Pokwang. The actress's design for the sun was executed by her interior designer's friend. Big windows let in natural light and give the owners a fantastic view of Antipolo's lush surroundings. Since the house faces east, it is filled with calming light when the sun rises. Look up and marvel at the home's high ceiling and sleek staircases. The flights of stairs showcase wooden steps without risers and a central metal support. An enchanting chandelier with tiny lights livens up the ceiling. Dominated by yellow touches, the dining area is homey and inviting. According to Pokwang, the dining and kitchen areas serve as a tribute to her friend, Chris Aquino. Surrounding the dining table are 8 comfy chairs from home improvement store Eclectic Living, while the lighting piece with teardrop-shaped bulbs helps set the mood and add drama to the space. Completing the look are the console holding select decor pieces and a painting of The Last Supper by Rui Morelos. Varying shades of yellow define the spacious cooking area. One of Pokwang's favorite areas in the house, the kitchen is well equipped with enough storage options, a wall cabinet system, enough drawers, and top-notch appliances. Aside from the spacious countertop that highlights a U-shaped layout, there's also a mini island in the middle with extra storage underneath. Even the storage unit that holds some of the appliances follows the yellow theme. The other end of the countertop can function as a breakfast nook with the addition of red bar stools. The powder room found on the first floor, the first of 8 bathrooms found in the house, exudes a spa-like vibe with warm lighting and quality fixtures. A relaxing cinnamon chocolate scent will surely calm anyone who steps into the compact space. All over the house, paintings add a posh finishing touch. Pokwang's brother and right-hand man, Dino, occupies a light blue room on the 2nd floor. Apart from the inviting sleeping space, he also has his own bathroom. The room is modest yet perfect for a good night's sleep with light blue walls, a double bed defined by a cushioned headboard, and a work area, too. At the foot of the bed, the occupant has an entertainment console that's part of a built-in cabinet system and work desk. The shelves near the work area hold books while the one above the TV showcases a collection of DVDs. The toilet and bath takes inspiration from luxury hotel Sofitel's well-appointed bathrooms. It has an enclosed shower area, a toilet area, and a compact countertop with a vessel sink. Built in memory of Shin, Pokwang's son who passed away, the green room is filled with decor and knickknacks just like the other rooms in the house. Though the room has never been used, Pokwang still made sure to equip it with a TV, an inviting bed, and other personal details. There's no doubt that Pokwang's daughter May owns this bedroom. Varying shades of the sweet color complete the space, with a lighter shade used on the walls and a darker one for the headboard. To keep the room from being too overwhelming, the cabinets and wall accents are painted white while dainty prints are subtly incorporated. One cabinet has glass doors to showcase May's collection of stuffed toys. A built-in desk or storage unit takes up one side of the room where May can read and finish school requirements. To follow the room's color theme, the chair also has a dark pink upholstery. How edgy is the combination of black, pink, and white? It was May who thought of using the said colors to achieve a girly yet a little rock and roll aesthetic. Unique textured tiles were used on the walls while black pieces were used as flooring. Found beside May's bedroom on the 2nd floor, this walk-in closet serves as storage for Pokwang's outfits, costumes, and some shoes, some of which were given by fans. To keep it neat and organized, the belongings are grouped accordingly with specific compartments for shoes and clothes. The only room found on the 3rd floor, Pokwang's room can be likened to a hotel, with delicate furnishings and a mix of bright and neutral colors. Dominating the space are shades of brown and cream, with lime green and orange as accent colors. According to the actress, orange is her lucky color. The huge customized bed is defined by a tufted headboard that extends up to the ceiling, giving the sleeping space a luxe look. The border of the headboard has ornate backlit carvings that also add to the appeal of the room. The dresser with cabinets takes up an entire wall in the sleeping space. Glass-doored shelves hold Pokwang's collection of designer bags, some of which were also given by fans. Also on display are her favorite perfumes and other collections. The spacious walk-in closet is found between the bedroom and bathroom. Reminiscent of a high-end boutique, it's completed with a chic chandelier, a tufted seating piece, and huge cabinets. The storage units in this room hold Pokwang's everyday clothes. Who wouldn't enjoy spending a few minutes in this spacious and hotel-like bathroom? The actress's private space has a shower cabin that can be turned into a sauna, a top-notch toilet bowl, and pretty tiles. Mosaic tiles spruce up one wall where open shelves are installed to hold fresh towels. A spacious countertop holds Pokwang's toiletries and other essentials. Since the wall tiles are simple, a decorative mirror was chosen to spruce it up. Extra cabinets under the sink can be used to store cleaning supplies and extra toiletries. A door inside Pokwang's bedroom leads to a compact prayer room where she can spend a few minutes alone. They want it, like a gym. I said, no, I'll just make it my prayer room, right? Since he gave me what I have, she shares. Match stools and kneelers were placed in front of the altar. The prayer room has a garden trail lined up with plants and a stone path. It can also be used as a meditation area. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.